Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to get themes on Discord mobile. So let's jump right into it. First you'll need this Alucard installer app. Go to your browser, search for Alucard GitHub app, open the first link, scroll down, tap here, and then tap here to download and install the app. Once it's installed, open it, tap on install right here, tap on install again, wait for a little bit, and a download will occur. Once it's done, install the app that you have downloaded from there. Tap on settings, go give it access to install unknown apps. Once it's done, tap on OK, install the app, wait. Once it's installed, go to your browser, search for Alucard Discord server, tap the first link and then tap on accept invite, and then open the app. From here, tap on the three lines on the top left corner, scroll down, tap on plugin list, tap on the search bar on the top, tap on in channel and then search for plugin list, tap on plugin list and then search for themer. Once you do the search, the first message that pops up, long tap it and then long tap it again, tap on open plugin downloader, tap on install themer, the third one from the bottom. Once you're done, go to themes and then long tap on the theme that you want to install from there. Tap on install. From there, go to your settings, scroll down, tap on plugins, tap on settings, scroll down and then turn on or toggle on the theme that you have installed and then tap on restart. Once you do that, the theme will be installed, and that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.